Hello, YouTube! This is TrainBoy54 speaking. Oh man, am I ever that excited but interesting that the new Thomas & Friends DVD, Journey Beyond Sodor, will be out as a new movie soon. So, what I'm gonna have a look at is the Trackmaster Steelworks Hurricane, the Trackmaster Merlin the Invisible, and the DVD My Little Pony Equestria Girls Magical Movie Night. I just noticed this in the movie department right next to the toys department at Walmart while out shopping with my mom. And yes, it includes 3 new My Little Pony Equestria Girls specials. I never saw them before, but I'll get to this when I have the time. But for now, let's just get to seeing the unboxing, review, and first run part of Hurricane and Merlin the Invisible. So we've got Steelworks Hurricane. Whoa, there's a train named after the weather, Hurricane. Of course, it comes Steelworks Thomas, Hurricane, and Merlin the Invisible. Not to give away what happened in the movie, but Thomas discovers a strange place called the Steelworks on the mainland, where he meets a mysterious engine named Hurricane. I don't know how mysterious Hurricane can be, but I'll have to wait until Journey Beyond Sodor will be out on DVD first. And Merlin the Invisible? Wow! Merlin the Invisible? There's a train named after the Disney character from The Sword in the Stone? Wow. And Thomas meets an experimental engine named Merlin? Wow, an experimental engine who is designed to be hard to see. Well, I don't know how hard Merlin will be to see, but let's just get him and Hurricane checked out. Oops! That was not meant to happen. Okay, one engine at a time. Whoa, there's Hurricane. Talk about that expression on his face. But the color of his boiler... See right there? That says Hurricane. And that's his number, 20. I much prefer to see a bright color on Hurricane. Oh, it has a rear lamp. That's good. And these cars that came with Hurricane. Oh yes, those cars, or the couplings on these cars, it's like the Steelworks Thomas, which of course I have him right here right now. Those are interesting buckets. The buckets rock side to side. Well, I hope Hurricane won't try to pour any lava on the track. And now, Merlin the Invisible. Oh my gosh, you could see my face and the camera through... So Merlin is hard to see. Ooh! His face looks not bad. Number 783. It looks like a mirror engine or something. Merlin's tender. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, it has a rear lamp too. Oh! Talk about the coupling behind him. And this wagon that Merlin came with? What does it do? The gears spin? How do they spin? Let's see. Whoa! Now I've seen it. I mean, now I can see. Well, let's put batteries in these trains. Merlin the Invisible and Steelworks Hurricane, and give those two engines their first test run, along with Steelworks Thomas. I'm just gonna make this as quick as I can, though. There! Not only I got Steelworks Thomas, but now I have Steelworks Hurricane and Merlin the Invisible. And we'll give them both a test run, along with Steelworks Thomas. Off they go! Whoa, Merlin is catching up to Hurricane. Let me just stop Merlin for just 5 seconds. Well, there goes Hurricane. So that's how its buckets rock side to side. And oops! Let me get Merlin started again, because Thomas is catching up. Merlin is puffing it along. And there go the gears spinning behind him. Well, Merlin and Hurricane are both amazing. But still, I haven't seen The Journey Beyond Sodor yet. So, I'll have to wait until that movie comes out on DVD. And I'll have to see which of these 3 engines or characters will appear in the movie first. Will it be Hurricane, Merlin, or Thomas? Or Steelworks Thomas. But in the meantime, Merlin and Hurricane are both incredible engines. But still, I'll have to wait until Journey Beyond Sodor will be out on DVD. And yes, I will have the time to see and review My Little Pony Equestria Girls Magical Movie Night. Of course, I'll be glad to see these girls again. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos of Trainboy 54 Productions. Take care.